Okay, so today I'm going to present it about my journal. My name is Gita Timang, accordance with the Winnie Prasetyani and Siti Aulia. So the name of our journal is Design of Facility Location for New Model of Medical Pharmaceutical Refrigerator Production Area on PT XYZ. So introduction, the design of facility layout is one of the things that need to be considered because it is closely related to the smooth running of the production process. And PT XYZ is a manufacturing company that manufactures medical devices and plan to add a new product that call is medical pharmaceutical refrigerator or MPR. And until now, the company has not planned for the facility layout design, but the area for production has been provided for 648 square meters. The purpose is the first is how to add production areas, determine the number of workstation and new machines, and the second is what transfer weight is generated from the proposed production layout. And product characteristic in MPR is one of the medical devices which has a size of 800, 500, and 1080 820 millimeters, consisting of 233 component parts that are purchased and assembled. So the production process, the main production process carried out for the manufacture of MPR consists of the several things. There are transfer of raw material into the production area, assembly of the inner box, outer box, cooling, evaporator, door, and electrical. The inspection process, charging, refrigerant, vacuum, aging unit, and packing. Based on the production process, a map of the operation process is then made, and the required machine data and machine facility are obtained that analyzed according to the size needed to. So this is the determination of area needs based on the machine data, machine size data, the facilities obtained for the operational process map, and the operators needs are determined by the area needs that have been given 50% leeway for the crossing road requirements. So this is the result of the determining the need for the area. And facility layout design. The stages of designing the facility layout using systematic layout planning methods is the first is material transfer planning. The characteristic of the raw material used for MPR assembly have a varying size with a total number of parts of 233 items, as well as a low material flow rate and displacement distance with a relatively short product design type. And the second is making activity relationship chart. So you can see the relationship level in the right of the presentation. So the activity relationship chart is an analysis space that is made in the form of a chart and is used to show the level of activity relationship between workstations. So this is the creation of a block diagram activity template. The activity relationship show that diagram between workstation is made to show the combination of the level of physical relationship between the workstation area and the product flow that occurs in its process. And this is the designing alternative layout. So it's based on a block diagram activity that from of a block scale with a certain scale and adjusted to the available area. And the result is from the calculation, determination of the proposed layout 2 produces a displacement weight of 5,000 50.500, which causes a backflow of semi-finished material. So based on the above calculation, the determination of the proposed layout 2 has displacement weight of 5,075.500 per day, which is smaller than the process layout, which has a displacement weight of 9,032.00900 per day. Thus, the MPR production layout was set using the proposed layout 2, although there was a backflow for semi-finished materials because the delivery time for raw materials and semi-finished materials didn't occur at the same time. So the conclusion is to increase the production area for the new model MPR with the production capacity is required by 4,153 units, an area of 98,000 meters square meters, sorry, by determining the number of workstations as many as 17 areas, of which 5 of them are existing workstation. Then the addition of operator is needed, as well as the addition of several new machines as follows: one piece of bending machine, crane machine, refrigerant charging machine, ultrasonic welding machine, and safety inspection machine, and 3 pieces of brazing machine and vacuum machine. And the second conclusion is determining the production layout based on product layout, and analysis of the weight of material transfers into two alternative layout proposal. The layout proposal number 1 has displacement weight of 22.09 per day, and proposal layout 2 has a displacement weight of 5,750.500 per day. The best MPR production also layout to the best MPR production going layout to use is the proposed layout number 2. By setting the layout, a biomedical warehouse area of 49.42 square meter is required. So that is all of my presentation. Thank you.